Three dice are tossed. What is the probability of rolling three different numbers? So to roll three different numbers, that's what they're asking. The probability, three different numbers. Okay, so this is three separate actions, isn't it? You have your first roll, and your second roll, and your third roll. So for your first roll, you're just going to roll any old number. Doesn't matter what it is, right? We don't care what the number is the first time. I'll just say any number is fine. And then on the second roll, so what if I rolled a 4 on the first roll? If I want to get three different numbers, what do I have to get on the second roll? Anything, just not a 4. Anything other than a 4. So not the same as the first roll. Okay, and then what about for, and what's the probability of that? Yeah, let me just say, what's the chance of that? Isn't it going to be 5 out of 6? 5 out of 6, right? If you got a 4 the first time, then on the second roll you would just not want to get a 4. So that's 5 out of 6. And then on the third roll, you want to get not the same as the first or second rolls. And what's the chance on the third roll that you get a number not the same as the first and second number? Like what if you got a 4, the second time you got a 2? What's the chance on the third roll that you get a number that's not the same as the first two? Well, it would be 4 out of 6, wouldn't it? Because there's 4 other numbers that are not the same as the numbers you got the first 2 times. So, and on the first roll, so we have these 3 different things. On the first roll, you can get any number, so the probability of that is just 1, right? It's 100% chance you're going to get some number. It doesn't matter what the first number is. Times, right? And is times. I'll multiply. Times, and the probability that you don't get the same number on the second roll, 5 out of 6, and times, probability that you don't get the same number in the third roll, 4 out of 6. Multiply those together. And when you do, you multiply 1 times 5, 6 times 4, 6. That's for getting 3 different numbers. Any number the first time, 100% chance you're going to get some number. 5, 6 chance probability the second time that you don't get the same number you got the first time. And 4, 6 is a probability on the third roll that you don't get anything the same as the first 2. Multiply those together. This is 1 over 1. Multiply those together. 20 over 36. We always reduce fractions. Divide top and bottom by 4. 5/9 is the probability that you're going to get 3 different numbers. Any number the first time, a different number the second time, and different than the first 2 the third time. And you multiply those together because and is always multiply.